Hi, my name is David Shapiro. I'm a San Diego-based criminal defense attorney, and today I want to discuss with you what you need to be aware of if you or a loved one are under investigation for a sex crime. A lot of times what we see, and we see it too late as the attorney, is we receive as part of the discovery, when we get on a case, we receive part of the discovery a controlled call. What a controlled call is where the alleged victim or the complaining witness is calling the person that they said committed a sexual assault against them. And they could either call them on the phone, they'll text message them, social media, a combination of all three, and ask them basically to admit to what they did. So, you may get a call from an ex-girlfriend who says, hey, I'm in therapy right now, and the therapist says that, I should confront you about what you did to me, and I'll forgive you if you just admit that time you raped me or that time you touched me when I was asleep and I didn't want you to. And far too often, people that eventually become our clients admit to it, or they say, I only did it twice, I didn't do it 6 times like you're saying. And that is terrible, terrible, damning evidence against our clients in court. Juries do not look fondly on such evidence. They find a hard time believing that there's any reasonable interpretation of that evidence, except for the fact that the person admitting to the misconduct committed the misconduct, and that's been a big problem. So it is essential that the second you realize that you're under investigation for a sexual assault, whether it's of a child, whether it's of an adult, ex-girlfriend, wife, neighbor, whoever, keep your mouth closed. Do not discuss the allegations made against you. So if you get that call, hey, I prefer you speak to my attorney. Hang up the phone. Contact your attorney if you have one. If you don't, do your research. I've done a lot of videos about what you need to look for in an attorney, particularly one when under investigation for a sex crime. And keep your mouth closed. Do not admit to anything. Don't necessarily engage this person in conversation. Be quiet. Ask them to speak to your attorney, and go on and get one if you don't have one, and make sure you hire the right attorney, and hopefully you'll get through it okay. Any questions, feel free to give the office a call. If you or a loved one are accused of a sex crime, particularly in San Diego, 619-295-3555.